feud between Deputy Chief Minister Prabhati Parida and senior BJP leader and former Minister Samir Ranjan Das has escalated in Nimapada constituency of Puri district, turning into an open confrontation despite warnings from the party's district leadership. The rift, which has been widening since the election, has seen both leaders trading sharp allegations. Samir Ranjan Das, who had earlier quit the BJD to join the BJP and had supported Prabhati Parida, has now questioned her political credibility and performance. In response, Prabhati Parida has hit back strongly, reviving past issues and criticizing Samir in harsh terms. The conflict intensified over the issue of grievance redressal. Since the beginning of the new year, Samir has been holding public grievance hearings in Nimapada every Wednesday and Saturday. He has projected the initiative as part of efforts to strengthen the BJP organization. However, Prabhati Parida objected to what she described as a parallel grievance mechanism, stating that the government already has an official system in place. Addressing a public meeting in Nimapada, Prabhati Parida accused Samir of doing little for the constituency for the past 24 years and alleged that his current outreach was aimed at gaining sympathy through what she termed crocodile tears.
तांको कुंभीर कांदना जमा सुनंतु जमा सुनंतु पचारंतु सेवानंको दीर्घ 24 वर्ष रे जदि ए अंचल रे एते काम हेई थांता ताहले आजि आपण मानकर एते कागज मो हाथ को काहे के आसु
Hitting back, Samir said that people were approaching him because their problems were not being addressed by the Deputy Chief Minister, claiming that he played a key role in securing nearly 50,000 votes for the party's victory. He asserted that his grievance hearings reflected growing public dissatisfaction.
उद्देश्यमूलक भाव आम लोकों प्रति वैमातृक मनोभाव देखिले निर्वंती तेणु मु सप्ताहिक 2 दिन आवेलेबल अच्छी कौन कहबार अच्छी तुम कह बोध भी नहीं मु केवल कह आमको जेहेतु खोजा गला ना आमको जेहेतु लोड़ा गला ना से संगठनटा भारतीय जनता पार्टी से संगठनटा रक्षा करने मत बैठक करने को पड़ुछि मु बैठक करूछि.
The standoff has triggered a show of strength within the constituency, with parallel organizational activities now underway. Samir's action have drawn disciplinary attention, with the BJP issuing him 2 notices so far. Puri District BJP President Devendra Tarai has warned of strict action if Samir fails to fall in line. However, Samir's supporters have dismissed the warning.
जो विशृंखला सृष्टि करिसेंती मोर जिला तरफरु आमे मध्य तांको 2 थर तागित हेछि एवं लिखित आकार रे तांको मध्य जणाई दिया जाइछि. निमापड़ार जे नेता बोली कहउचंती समीर दास से कार्यक्रम जदि शालीनता न रखती राज्य संगठन निश्चित भाव में कार्यानुष्ठान ग्रहण करने को बाध्य हो.
जो मैंने अभियोग कर हास्यास्पद कथा जो मैंने लोकंकर नेता से जनशुणाणी करेंगे लोक शुणे और लोक समस्या समाधान करेंगे ये संपर्क जो मैंने मंतव्य देते से लोकों सहित
With Panchayat elections scheduled next year, Samir has begun mobilizing support to demonstrate his influence, while Prabhati Parida has launched a counter-offensive after maintaining silence for months. These developments have added a new dimension to BJP politics in Nimapada, with attention now focused on how state leadership will respond to the growing internal discord.